So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Harry. So today I have this MIVI S60 60 watts soundbar. So let's unbox this. This is only an unboxing video. I will share a sound test video in next video. This box is too strong and packaging is so good. So first of all, let's unbox this box. As you can see, this box is too strong and packaging is too good, so it will take some time for unboxing. Sorry for delay. Finally, let's look what inside the box. So wait, okay, you can see here is the main box, MIVI S60 soundbar. Okay, good. So we have here another box. Let's put this aside. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's see what is inside the box. Okay, this is the main unit. MIVI S60 is inside this. Okay, box is too long. Of course, this is the soundbar. Okay, wait a second. Let me adjust the camera and mic properly. Okay, wait. Okay, now this is the box. Let's put this aside. Let me. Okay, now this is the position. Now this is the box. Box is very attractive, and this have written proudly made in India. Of course, MIVI product is properly made in India, not rebadged version. Okay, you understand? This is the made in India soundbar. Okay, so this have some specification like this: 2.2 channel soundbar, remote control etc. Lots of functions. Also, you can read this craftsman's note. This is also interesting why they made soundbar. Okay, now let's have a look inside the box. Okay, I personally like this box. Okay, what is the inside the box? Here we go, and here is our main unit. Okay, let's wait. First of all, what is this? Okay, this is the adapter and cell for power supply. Cell is for, of course, for remote. It is good to see that MIVI is giving cell inside the box. Other brand do not give it. Okay. Okay, this is the aux cable, and this is our adapter. Okay, this is the adapter. You can see here some is its content specification. AC adapter. Okay, for power supply. Okay, this is the aux cable, and it is too long, and material quality is good, very good, of course. Now finally, oh wait, my laptop is shut down. Okay, I have to restart it. Wait, this is simply for attraction. All YouTuber put this type of setup. Wait, this video is too long, but I can't make this video short. I'm not professional YouTuber, but Okay. This is a cube for, of course, for setup, so that this setup look quite interactive. I have also this MIVI ROM 2 and MIVI Dio ports. They are also very good. Okay, now let's have. Okay, so packaging is good. Okay, let's see what is this. Okay, this is the manual and it is very heavy. Let's put it aside and let's see what inside the box. Again, here is this is the remote. Wow, remote is very premium. Okay, this is the remote. This is very compact and premium. It has also mode like you can change music mode, news mode and movie mode. Okay, and this is some specification. Okay, this is the warranty card. I will not show you this because privacy reason. And that's all inside the box. You have nothing inside the box. Okay, maybe let's put aside. Let me put it properly aside. Okay, now this is your MIVI Fort S60 soundbar. I think this is the best looking soundbar and it's look very premium. Wait, let me remove this plastic. Oh, maybe we should stop putting lots of plastic inside the box because of environment pollution. Wow, this is very attractive and premium looking soundbar. Wow, this is also some few buttons. Let's see another face. Okay, here is nothing. Okay, good. Soundbar is so good. You can see this is so premium. Now let's talk about the connection, and it also have ports like this for hanging in the walls. Now it have a DC in, a 20 watt aux, coaxial and USB. USB can support 32 GB pen drive. Okay, that's all in this connections setup. This is the MIVI logo. It is look very good. Okay, and this is very good looking soundbar. Wow, very premium. Wow, I was looking for a home theater, but home theater are not very reliable, but this soundbar is very good, and it also have two subwoofer, so I prefer this one instead of home theater. Okay, here good and feel and good is very premium. Fit and finish have some issue, but you can ignore this. This soundbar also have buttons for power on off, volume increase, decrease, etc. But you can control this by remote. Now let's see what was the inside the box. First is MIVI soundbar, and after this this AC adapter, this aux cable, and this remote which is very attractive, and this pencil cells, Panasonic pencil cells, very interesting. That's all in the box. Okay, well, let's see how much long this is. Wow, this cable is very long. You can see, I did not expect this, but this is very long. Good. You can see this is very long. Quality is okay of this AC adapter. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.